MSc Yoga, first paper, Principles of Yoga and Mental Health. Question and answers. What is relaxation and why relax? Let's come to the answer. What is relaxation? Relaxation is allowing physical and or mental tension to be released. Healthy living is a matter of balance. Relaxation is part of the balancing process alongside other aspects of our lifestyle, such as what you eat, your physical activity, and how you handle stress. Learning to relax involves a little time and concentration, but these are the only costs involved. Why relax? It's a great help to learn a relaxation technique to help us unwind and bring our tensions and anxiety under control. There are several books, leaflets, or audio tapes which we can use ourselves. It's a good idea to practice regularly so we can be more prepared for the more stressful times. How relaxation helps us reduces tiredness. If you can manage everyday life without excessive tension. Next, improves performance. Your performance in work, sport, or music can be raised through self awareness and control of attention. Third one, reduces pain. Pain occurs as a result of tension. For example, headache and backache. So, relaxation can help you to cope by raising your pain. They should and reducing the amount of pain. Next, coping with stress. Relaxation helps you to reduce the efforts of stress and to breathe effectively. You can breathe effectively. Next one, improves sleep by allowing you to be calm and peaceful. We can get very nice sleep. Next one, improves self confidence by increasing your self awareness and ability to cope with daily life. With the regular practice of relaxation techniques, we can improve our self confidence. Next one, improves personal relationships. It is easier to release well to other people when you are relaxed and self confident. These type of um, benefits we can get through the relaxation techniques. Next one, let's come to the relaxation and stress. When we feel anxiety or stressed, our breathing rate increases, as does our blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, sweating, state of mental arousal, and adrenal flow. Relaxation helps to decrease all those things. Then, coming to breathing and relaxation. Our out breath releases tension in the chest muscles and allow all muscles to release their tension more easily. Breathing is far more effective when we use our diaphragm. When we use our diaphragm rather than with the chest muscles. We should do like this. Sit comfortably in a chair and place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your abdomen or on navel. Take two or three fairly long breaths. Which hand moves first and which moves most? Practice so that it is the lower and on your abdomen that moves rather than the one on your chest. People often think that their tummy goes in when they breathe in, but the reverse should be the case. But the reverse should be the case. While we are breathing, our tummy goes inside. While we are breathe out, our tummy comes out. When you are feeling tense or hoping to relax, try breathing out a little bit more slowly and more deeply. Notice a short pause before the in breath takes over. Don't exaggerate in breath. Just let it happen freely. So, you might find it useful to count slowly or prolong a word such as one or piece to help elongate the out breath a little to yourself or out loud. Very slow breathing we should follow. Then, different methods. Let's see the different methods of relaxation. There are various ways in which to achieve relaxation. Most use breath control in some way. Whichever method you choose, regular practice will help. Some examples are progressive muscle relaxation, tense or relaxed muscles relaxation, then meditation, then guided imaginary or visualization, then Alexander technique teaches the importance of posture, which improves mental and physical well-being. Autogenic training, mental exercises to link body and mind to bring about relaxation. Then biofeedback, self regulation of bodily functions. Example, slowing heart rate, slowing breath, like that. Then massage also helps us. Then aromatherapy. Then we can go for physical activity. Then yoga is the best method. Then music. With slow and calm music helps to relax our mind and body.